This is the last day of booth construction for China Beauty Expo 2025. I'm currently in the Expo Hall, E2, and we are going to see some international exhibitors, international pavilions, European brands, country of honor, France. So France is the host country of this fair in 2025. And that one's from Germany, Deutschland. It's a Swiss one, you can say Switzerland. So this is the Expo Hall, E2. So if you've got a chance to visit it, you can come to this hall. You can meet a lot of international players. That one is from Italy. Everyone has been working very hard in order to accomplish each booth before 8 p.m. tonight. That is an Italian pavilion. It has a suspension tower, so everyone can see it from a long distance. It's pretty eye-catching. So France is the host country of this fair, 2025. When you come here, you can come here by subway line 7 and line 2 can reach here directly without wasting any time. A Swiss, that one is from Switzerland too. That is a Spanish one. So this hall is pretty international. You can see a lot of international exhibitors and companies. Choose France. Ah, very nice. Okay, I will see you guys later. Bye bye, everyone.
Good.